Good afternoon. It's just one of those crazy days where no matter where you are going to be stuck, especially in the Wynwood area. This report's brought to you by Alfred is Screwed. Right now in the Wynwood area trying to get to the beach, no way. Lots of cars stop on the bridge looking at these immigrants swimming on shore. The presidential caravan stuck on 95 as well due to several flat tires, and that unexpected eclipse not helping anybody. Basically, if your name is Alfred, you are just screwed today. That is your traffic. I'm Danny Rivera.
Guys, here's what I want to know. Who in their right mind drops somebody off in the middle of the ocean and think it's okay to leave me here? That's just not right. I'm trying to cut time. This is not right. I'm just trying to get to the boat show, man. Right there. I'm almost there. What's going to happen? How am I going to get there? Oh, don't leave. Hold on. Wait. Stay. Wait. Don't go anywhere. No, don't go anywhere.
Hey, you request a taxi?
Yes, it was me. I called the taxi. Yes, please, can you take me to the boat show?
Let's go.
I'm running really behind. The traffic is horrendous. You mind if I jump on, really?
I'll take you there. Let's go.
Oh my God, let me get on this. What is this? A Walker Bay 525. Let's do this. Okay, so now that we're out in the water, this is where the amazingness happens. Stefano, tell me, what's up? What are we gonna do? We're gonna plane it out. You're gonna show me more or less some of the features. You obviously ran through the boat and you told me more or less what it does. So what do we have in mind now when we run this bad boy?
Well, so for a lot of people, 525, which is metric with 17 feet, is not a big boat. It's on the smaller side, but what you really get a feel for with this boat, even though it's only 17 feet long, it feels like a much bigger boat when you're in the water. I find generally when you're out of the water looking at a boat, and it may look big enough, but when you actually put it in the water and you're in the ocean, there's a bit of swell or a bit of chop or a little bit of weather, all of a sudden that boat starts to speed. It feels smaller and smaller. So
oh yeah,
what I like to take away is just a feeling of, not only comfort and space in a boat of this size, but just the feeling of safety and stability and a solid ride that can take the kind of conditions that Mother Nature throws at us from time to time when we're not expecting it.
All right, so let's open her up. We got to get out of here and let's get this bad boy moving. It's gonna happen. Hey, I need to go back home, man. You better not kill me. Let's do this. Walker Bay 525. I want them to experience what we just experienced, what I just experienced for the first time. Impressive how responsive it feels. I mean, that little Honda 115, he pushed it, boom, and it's like, it feels like it's stuck to the water. The boat feels like it's stuck to the water. I'm insulated in here. I'm kind of in here. I don't feel uncomfortable at all. If I feel a little worried, I put some pressure here. Nothing. I don't even have a handrail here, which I'm sure could be put also, but it's not necessary. Look at this chop, guys. It's hard to go ahead and get this chop on camera, but this thing was eating up the chop, and I don't, you know, it's not like sometimes when you're on a rib boat, you feel the boom, boom in it, you know? It soaks it up really good. Now we can go fast again, sir. Let's do this. Oh! Big fishies for the win. Guys, look, who needs a big boat when you can go ahead and get a rib? Okay guys, we have some cup holders here, so if you're sitting in the front, you can be sitting in the front here. You can have a drink, you can hold on here, you can hold on to the other side. You still have all this space for other people. And I mean, you know, I always tell people, pretty isn't always practical. This is pretty and practical, and I like more practical than pretty, to be honest with you. So we'll see how this thing plays out, how it gets moving, and if you guys are here at the show, you can come take a look at it. If not, for any other boat shows, you guys can go ahead and take a look at it, and if you have the opportunity to do a sea trial, then I would encourage you to do so. So here's one of the things I was telling Stefano right now. You know, I had the camera off, but you know, I'm here hanging out and I'm just talking to him, and I'm telling you, this is like almost like a living room sectional that I'm just hanging out in. I'm here just sitting down. You know, I could be here, I can go forward. I mean, it doesn't feel awkward. You can see you can have multiple people in this boat and you're gonna feel comfortable. It's very I would say loungy, you know. So that's a good impression. I think you guys are onto something when it came to that, because it definitely brings that level of comfort. I told you guys we were gonna get in the water with this bad boy. Look at him, the 525 Walker Bay, and we're here at the Miami International Boat Show. Let's go and see how this bad boy runs in the water. Here is one of the things that I want you guys to check out. We're in shallower water right here, so we don't really need to go ahead and put the ladder, but it's right there. You just jump on there. Actually, Stefano, get in there. I'm gonna push you in there because I want to get some footage of you just getting out of here. So, okay. These are practical, real world situations that you're gonna deal with. So you guys are seeing exactly what happens here. So, Stefano, go ahead, take off, give me my bag, and let's see how this thing looks in the water. Got the Walker Bay, people. Walker Bay, wow, what a nice looking rib. Let me tell you, it rides very nice in the water. I will honestly say I was surprised how it ran. It performed really, really responsive in the water. If I had to say the type of person who could utilize a boat like this is somebody that definitely likes to entertain. It feels very, very cozy in there while we were just chit-chatting, talking about the boat. You know, it didn't feel weird. I mean, it's definitely a boat that's designed so you can socialize and bring friends along, and obviously it rides really nice. It's a rough day right now, and it's riding really, really good. He's getting out of the shoal right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get some footage on the boat, and let's see what this bad boy does. Let's get the drone in the air, people.